Fountains ends.
That night.
The night.
Well, I guess Sam's here.
I'm behind.
We have the same sweater.
Mm-hmm.
His and hers.
Yeah. I'll film this.
Hecka sketchy. Here, right there. Nice.
Look, I found us a Christmas tree.
It's like half of.
Just You happy with that shot?
I don't know. Maybe.
So, what do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. Whoa, just got really bright. Yeah, no, it's really pretty here. But sometimes.
It's a cool waterfall. We were just behind. There's our cool rainbow down there. That's where we were. Somewhere up there. At the first lookout.
Yes, speaking of Sean, he got engaged yesterday. Congrats, Sean. Congrats, Sean. Yeah. So we're heading out to a huge Insta meet right now. Just kidding. Where are we going?
All it says on our calendar is nature hike thing.
This is gonna be a vlog. We're meeting up with a bunch of people that is put on by
The Nature Conservatory.
I can't talk. I haven't vlogged
the
the
Washington Nature Conservatory is putting on this event.
In the car, we're driving over. Bethany, Corey, me, and Ariana. So we're heading out right now.
Cheers.
Can you take out the trash?
Just gassing up. Corey's nice enough to fill up the tank.
YOLO.
Takes a okay amount of gas. Oh, it's not?
It's not reading me.
Why?
I don't know.
Yes, of course.
Just
raining.
Just crossing over the pass. Didn't want to film when the car was struggling up the hill.
Everyone's passing us. We had a really hard time getting started.
All right, we are out here now. The wind is gonna ruin the audio, so just.
Canyon. There's like a dust storm over there. It's super windy.
This episode.
So cool though.
Working.
We made it. We just got here. And Corey opened the key. Oh! Ow!
Good to see you, bro. Good to see
Hey,
you, man.
how's it going?
Good to see you. It's going well. It's going good to see you, dude. Yeah, we made it.
This place is cool.
Hi, I'm Ariana.
Hi, good to see you.
Caleb.
Hey.
Nice to meet you, man. Finally, yeah. Here's our room.
He gets off, the coffee shop closes at 6. He gets off around 7.
Yeah.
You guys want to do a little walkabout in a little bit?
Yeah.
Looks like shit.
You build that yourself?
So we're just about to go hike up this ridge.
Watch out for rattlesnakes and ticks.
Yeah.
We're renaming the channel to Caleb and Dawn.
Basically we're just kind of scoping out the area right now.
like,
What a nice night to be out here.
because it's like that perfect in between.
Pretty standard.
Filson has a nice car. Good photo.
Look at this beautiful car.
So we're just out here now. We drove with the cars to a little blaze, doing some more photos. Are we in Moab?
Choice to leave and come here. Nuts.
This is what we deal with, guys.
Love bugs.
This kind of stuff. There's my wife.
Look at how cool the canyon looks from out there. Yeah, are they coming? He didn't say anything about the other kids.
Good time. Dishes. Oh, you guys did the dishes already.
Bam.
Bam.
Sponsored.
You guys like my 18? My 18.
Yeah, we want to Kickstarter
My
like
18.
in January.
Like the
You guys
18.
like
What?
75 that I used to have.
Yeah, so we're
So you
we're
hit the
shipping
market at like
Kickstarter.
the best time.
So we just woke up. This beautiful place. Sun's shining. It's about 8:45. Gonna have some breakfast and coffee.
I passed out as soon as I hit the pillow. Like,
Yeah.
It was time, but so nice. It's like cucumber. It's got like leaves.
What's the plan for today, Don?
I'm gonna have my second cup of coffee ever in my entire life. Ben made it for me, so
Are you
can't be
serious?
rude. It's very. I don't know how coffee's supposed to taste, so.
Wow, is this really your second cup ever?
First cup I had was with Corey and Daniel.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
Behind the vlog.
Behind the vlog. We're trying out the moment lenses. We have a telephoto here and a wide angle. It's 60 and
18. So we're just out here, kind of in the middle of a deserty area. We drove up kind of a hill. We got Ben's truck and the Filson Jeep. We're kind of just doing it as like a little caravan of explorer. How's the brute handling this? No worries, right?
This is amazing.
Shooting video?
Always, man.
Always, man.
So is there a dirt road that still goes to the old?
Yeah, actually, if you guys are just out taking pictures, go there. It says no trespassing on the road there. You guys feel free to go in there and take some pictures if you want. Okay.
Thanks, man.
Awesome, man.
I don't think anybody else knows about them really. They're way up in the rocks. You got to climb up a bunch of rocks. There's a rattlesnake den there and stuff, and a bunch of other stuff. But I just was wondering who to contact about telling them about something like that because they're almost gone. And I was like, should I keep it a secret because somebody will go
have my
vandalize it, or should I tell somebody?
Is this the door?
You can probably come in that way.
I just did.
Look at this upstairs.
I'm in my Birkenstocks in here. I don't know if it's safe.
Look at this. Look at this.
I don't know your Burke. Just watch where you're walking. This is my kitchen.
What happened?
Some birds came in and pooped.
Trying to go and there's these cows in the road.
That's what I wanted to get a picture of.
That's awesome.
Just run to the left or the right. Don't run away from the car. Going that way.
He doesn't know.
Hi!
You didn't like that sound.
Hi!
Moo! That's more than
Move
look at
that
her
bus.
udders.
This is clean. It's like a
Pita Pit. Yeah.
We came all the way out to Eastern Washington to eat at Pita Pit.
They have like a huge.
Just at Pita Pit.
Thanks Nature Conservancy for a good trip.
Yep.
And until next time, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There's a trooper, trusty steed.